Hello student, in this lecture I will discuss geometry of ellipse and hyperbola in complex plane, and let's start with ellipse. So the equation of ellipse in complex plane will be that z minus z1 mod plus mod of z minus z2 is equals to lambda, and this type of equation in complex plane will be equation of a ellipse if and it suffices a condition like modulus of z2 minus z1 must be less than lambda. So why this is true, I will prove this in the geometric fashion. So what is, and you have to know that what is a z1 z2 and lambda means actually, and for some information I will say that this z1 z2 is nothing but foci of the ellipse, and lambda is nothing but the length of the major axis of the ellipse. So the typical ellipse of the form like this way, this is a ellipse whose one foci is z1 and another foci is z2, and this length, this major axis length, there is a 2a, we can consider like if this coordinate is a comma 0 and this is the minus a comma 0, then this length will be 2a, and that we consider lambda. So how this condition we can prove that? So here z1 and z2, mod of z1 z2 is nothing but the distance between the two foci, because here z1 and z2 are the foci of ellipse. So mod of z1 minus z2 is nothing but distance between two foci of the ellipse. So z1 minus z2 is nothing but the distance between the two foci of the ellipse, and that is nothing but a 2ae, if you remember that, because the distance between center and the foci is nothing but ae. Here it is ae and here it is also a. So the half of the distance between the two foci, like mod of z1 minus z2 by 2 is equals to ae. And this ae is nothing but distance between center and foci, and that in symbolically we can write that distance between center and foci f. And here it is nothing but distance between foci 1 to foci 2. And we know that lambda is equals to the length of major axis, and that is nothing but 2a. So what is a? A actually lambda by 2, and what is a actually? A is nothing but the distance between the center and the extreme point of this right extreme point of this ellipse. So we can write that distance between center and right extreme point, r means right extreme point of the ellipse. And in the picture or in the equation or in the graph of this ellipse, we can easily find that distance between center and foci is less than distance between the right extreme of the ellipse. So you can write that distance between center and foci is less than distance between center and right extreme. Okay, and what is the distance between center and foci? It is nothing but mod of z1 minus z2 by 2 less than a is nothing but lambda by 2. So cancelling 2 both sides, we can easily get mod of z1 minus z2 less than lambda, and that is the condition for this type of equation, like mod of z1 minus mod of z minus z1 plus mod of z minus z2 is equals to lambda. This equation will be the equation of the ellipse if and only if this condition is hold. And for the hyperbola, the similar way we can prove that the mod of z minus z1 minus z minus z2 is equals to lambda will be a equation of the hyperbola if here the distance between z1 minus z2 should be greater than lambda, and that you can easily verify from the geometry of the or graph of the hyperbola. That is for the exercise for you. Okay, here this the hyperbola, and here z1, and here is the z2, and it is center, it is the point a comma 0, and this is the point minus a comma 0. Okay, you can easily verify these two important form of ellipse and hyperbola. This is the one, and this is 2 for, and here I can also clearly write that it is the hyperbola, and it is an equation of ellipse. Okay, so thank you.